Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a makeup one-on-one beginner friendly video. So if you know anyone who would benefit from this, make sure you share this video. Now, before you apply any makeup to your face, you need a really good skin prep routine. Now, this is my skin prep routine in the exact order that I use. But if you guys want a full skin prep video with the exact products that I use, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. I like to pat my primer in my skin and then go in with the Milani Glow Drops to help me get that radiant finish.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown.
For brows, I like to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel first. Then I like to fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in dark brown. If you guys want to know all the products that I'm using in this video, I have put them down below for you in the description box.
Everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
If you are new to my channel, you may not know this, but I love to use the artist brushes from Walmart. They are very precise, so I typically use these for my brows. And they're super affordable.
Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and that you could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. Someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams,
Sometimes when you first apply your foundation, it can look a little orange, how mine is looking right now. But you guys, it will oxidize. And another tool that's really helpful is using a buffing brush to help marriage that product in your skin so it can look more natural.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
For my concealer, I like to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Maple first. And then I go in with Caramel just in that inner tear duct area.
I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me.
The brightening concealer brush is definitely a holy grail. This will cut down your blending time, and I love using this brush because it doesn't take too much product off. It's a really great tool to use when you are working with your concealer, and as you can see, it blends the product effortlessly. And you guys will learn throughout this video, it's not always about the products you use, but also the tools that you use to apply the product. So make sure you guys are paying attention to that and taking notes on the tools that I'm using as well. All the tools that I've used are on the screen, so make sure you take a screenshot. All of these brushes are extremely affordable as well.
Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason. crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking about myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel. You never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going down my mind.
So as you can see, I set one side of my eyes off camera, but for the other side, you want to make sure you go in with concealer again to take care of that creasing. Then we're going to set that side.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans.
So if you've been watching my channel, you know I have these moments where I completely just zone and space out. It's super funny, so I always keep it in. So now that our face is set, I always like to go in with my Milani All-Inclusive palette and set my nose contour with the bronzer.
Du vill ha det som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om mig for life. Så många nätter på lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Den här gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har en thing med dig, real thing med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har en thing med dig. Ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om mig for life. En chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta din land. Oh baby, bara en chans. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt om mig for life.
The blush shade and highlighter shade in this Milani All-Inclusive palette is so beautiful. I always use it in every look that I do.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss.
So I popped on my favorite lashes, and now I'm going to go in with some mascara just to lengthen my bottom lashes.
Face. Later talk, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
And for the lippy today, I really like to keep it super simple and natural. So we are going to go in with some really beautiful earth tone shades today.
Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later talk, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap.
To finish this look, I am going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Spray. This is definitely my go-to look, so if you guys enjoyed this makeup one-on-one crash course, make sure you like this video and share it with some other folks that would really appreciate this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just click here to find more interesting videos just like this one, or subscribe to my channel. And I also have some channel favorites in my description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.